Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's topic of internal medicine is testicular cancer. This topic, testicular cancer, we will cover it in 5 sections. In the first section, we will talk about the primary germ cell tumors of the testes. What's the incidence and epidemiology of primary germ cell tumors of the testes? What's the causes, etiology, and genetics, whether it has relationship with hereditary or genetics? We will talk about that. And then also the clinical presentation and lymph node involvement in the primary germ cell tumors of the testes. Then in the second section of our lecture, we will talk about the pathology of the testicular cancer. And pathology, as I always mention, patho is the disease and ology is the study. So pathology, we will talk about the disease process of the testicular cancer or how it develops, what are the abnormalities in the testicular cancer. And also we will talk about non-seminomatous type of germ cell tumors and the tumor markers which are important in the testicular cancer. Then in the third section, we will discuss the staging and treatment and the cancers whose staging and treatment we will discuss will be the non-seminomas, stage 1, stage 2, and also 1 and 2 stages of the seminomas. So both non-seminomas and seminomas will be discussed in third section. In the fourth section, we will talk about the chemotherapy used for the treatment of the testicular cancers. Once that is used for the advanced germ cell tumor. Also, what are the risk-directed chemotherapy and also classification for advanced germ cell tumors. All these different topics we will discuss in section 4, which will be chemotherapy for advanced germ cell tumors, risk-directed chemotherapy, and classification of the advanced germ cell tumors. Then in the fifth section, we will talk about some different other treatment options beside the chemotherapy, which will be the post-chemotherapy surgery. So first, this chemotherapy is used, and then after that chemotherapy, the surgery is performed for the tumor. Also, we will discuss the salvage chemotherapy and extragonadal germ cell tumor and the effect of these germ cell tumors on the fertility. So all that will be discussed in our today's lecture topic, which is the testicular cancer. So keep watching sqadia.com to learn about this topic.